Morning guys, so I've got to do a service light on this Tiguan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, plug in the scanner in. So obviously I've turned it on, but the OBD's not plugged in. So I want to show you the auto scan, as well as obviously resetting the alert. It's only a quick video, but that's plugged in. So dead quick. Let's see what it does. So it's going to auto read it. It's going to beep a few times, let you know it's in there. There we go. Let it do its thing. So this is all live, guys, by the way. So I'm not speeding anything up. I just want to show you guys the features. It's a lot of bings, a lot of beeps, but there we go. So we're in. All we want to do, quick access. So I'm only setting a service light. So we do a full scan. Should we do a high-speed scan to show you guys can see? Watch this. High-speed scan. Look at that. Like I say, guys, totally live. Now, you'll probably admit that's a little bit quicker than Volkswagen VCDS, maybe even Otis. Who knows? So if that's done, we can, it's not quite done. Just doing the last one, 61, there we go. So you can go into the modules there. So we'll enter that one. 17's dash, that's where we need to be, or instrument cluster. Let it do its thing. Now what we're gonna do is, let's see if it'll ever do service light. So these are quite in depth. Again, guys, I'm learning this tool as well as you guys are. So let's go on to guided functions. So once I've got to grips with this, guys, as well, you'll see just how quickly it can be. It's Tiguan 2016 onwards. Let's have a look. There you go, upgrade it. Again, we're learning here, guys, we're learning. All we need to do is reset the service light. So it's just a normal fixed service, not long life or anything like that. VW, ignition's on. There we go, auto reset. And we've done minor maintenance, and it's fixed. And we want to do 15,000 kilometers or 365 days because we use long life oil. That's it, done. Bosh, easy as that. Home button, and she's out. Living the dream, guys. I'm going to keep using it, and obviously I'll get better and show you more features of the tool as I progress as well.